Friendos, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I have something very special for us all to enjoy. I got the Supreme mystery box from Jeffree Star Cosmetics. I have not peeked inside yet. I can't wait to see what we'll get. Now, the Supreme mystery box was $180, but it's supposed to have a $360 value, but we'll be the judge of that. You guys stay tuned. And friendos, thank you guys so much for watching today. I think this is going to be an exciting one. We're supposed to get 15 different products in here, and one of those items should be clothing. Now, I was really hoping that I would have a yak inside my box, but I don't think that the box is big enough for a yak. Let's see what's inside. Alrighty, so really nice wrapping paper right off the get-go. Let me show you guys. Alright. Ooh. Let's see what we got. Let's see what we got. So, first off, I got the Mini Velour Liquid Lipsticks. What is this? Open here for nudes. I love nudes, so I'm so happy to get this. Oh gosh, Jeffree, you blinded me with your nudes. I wasn't prepared. Oh, I'm just kidding. It's these. So I got Skin Tight, Mannequin, Celebrity Skin, Posh Spice, Rose Madder, Gemini, Leo, and Androgyny. I think I own all of these, but to be honest, I'm so glad to get these again because I did purchase the Vault and those are starting to get dried up. So I'm very happy to get this. All right, next up, the clothing. Ooh. So I got a black shirt here. That's groovy because black is my favorite color to wear. This would make a really nice sleep shirt for me. I don't know. I could wear this out in public too. I did order a large because I'm in a weird space where like I'm usually a medium on top and a large on the bottom. So I wasn't sure what we were getting, so I said large. So this is going to be just a little bit like bigger than what I would like. But I'm not complaining. If nothing else, if I try it on and it's too huge, I'll use it for a sleep shirt. Alrighty. Oh, this is interesting. My box is torn. See that? What happened? Definitely someone packed this in like this. That's kind of crap. Okay. Because nothing else in here is damaged and it all looks very well packed. So definitely someone at the warehouse packed it this way. Alrighty, what is this? LED star selfie light. How cool! I don't know. See, there's like, okay. I think I see it. Ooh. Tell me guys, am I more beautiful? I'm kidding. I'm really hoping that Jeffree shows how to work this because I really don't know. Maybe I put it on top of my mirror and that's supposed to be the light. But it's kind of a dim light. Like, it's not a really... I actually feel like this is making my makeup look worse. I don't know. I don't know, guys. Maybe this ain't it. I don't know. I might... Ah, there we go. So it had two settings. One was like a warm light, and then one was cool. And then there's in between. There's three. So warm, cool, both. All right. I'll have to try this out some more. Maybe I hook this on my cell phone and try it. I don't know, pretty cool though. I definitely like the idea of this, but I guess I'll be testing the functionality over time. All right, moving on. Product number 3, what have we got? Got the gloss. Two finishes, Glitter Fantasy and Extreme Shine, Juicy Delicious, iconic on its own or over any lipstick. You know what? I think this is the one from Shane Dawson, and this is just going to be... No, it's not. This says Peach Price Tag. This is actually really pretty. I really do like peach as a gloss color, so I'm really happy to get this as well. All right, so I think that was number 4. Number 5, we have another gloss. Extreme Shine Vanilla Cream Soda Infused. Juicy Delicious, iconic on its own or over any lipstick. This is called Let Me Be Perfectly Clear. Oh, it is just clear. I actually want to smell this. It does smell like cream soda. All right, cool. I know it's not the most exciting thing in the world, clear gloss, but clear gloss can have its place in your makeup collection as far as adding a different texture to a lipstick. If you have a very good gloss, you can mix that with a matte lipstick and it can make itself a cream. I've done that before, so I mean, I don't even think I have any clear gloss in my collection right now, so this is fine. Okay, so I got some singles here. It looks like 5 singles. So I think that was my 5th item. So 5 singles here. I'm going to be honest with you, I'm not a fan of single eyeshadows. They're just not my vibe. Not sure how many of these are original and how many of these are exclusives for the box. So I got a matte brown shade. This one is called 1985. Pretty sure I have this in the Weirdo palette. If you guys know what palette it's from, let me know. Or if it's exclusive and I've just got it all wrong, let me know. Okay, then we have a Razor Blade. 90% sure that is from the Weirdo palette. Then we have Freak Show. This one is dark and it looks like this packaging is kind of dirty. See that, you guys? Yeah, it looks a little crumbly. Private Island. A yellowy nude shade. And it is matte. And then lastly, we have Divine Intervention. This one looks like it's going to be more my speed. I can't really tell what color this is. I'm going to be honest with you guys. I don't want to swatch this because I might end up giving these away. But yeah, that's what I got. Not too excited over those. I don't really like singles. Ooh, we have the Heartbreaker palette. And this is going to be a highlighter palette. So I think this is going to be in the Skin Frost, which is a glittery highlight. This is it. Not super excited over this either. Normally, this is not my vibe. I need to see if this is the glitter thing. That's why I'm not going to swatch in this video, is if it is the really glittery formula, I will probably give this away. And this says it's the Orgy palette. Now, I already own this. Interesting. I don't remember my packaging looking like this. Maybe it did. Anyways, I already own this, but this would have been nice if I hadn't. I mean, it's still nice, but you know. So a lot of this is going to my sister for sure. Ooh, yes. All right. Oh no, it's strawberry gum. I don't know if I'm gonna like that. I don't really like bubblegum scents. So this is the Velour Lip Scrub. It definitely smells more strawberry than gum. It's a weird color though. It's brown, so I'm a little... I wish it had been pink on the inside. That's kind of not so nice. I got a yellow concealer, full coverage, long wearing, anti-aging properties, natural matte finish. I do like his other concealers. I don't know what I'm going to do with this yellow one though. Maybe I could use it as an eyeshadow base. You guys let me know what yellow concealer is used for, because I really don't... Ooh. The little star broke off. I was being kind of rough with it, but yeah, it did. It did just break. So I gotta find that before Alexi does and starts chewing on it. I don't know what's gone into him, but if there's something plastic on the floor, he will chew it. And coming down to the end, we have a Velvet Trap lipstick. Really hoping this is not a lighter shade because I don't like his lighter ones. Oh, this is Celebrity Skin. Y'all, I did not do this. It came like this. Clearly the lipstick wasn't screwed all the way down. You can see, like on the inside there. Oh well, I guess I'll keep that one for myself. And then we have the Velour liquid lipstick. We have Cutthroat Love. Sounds interesting. I really like the packaging on this. I think it's really pretty. So this shade, I can't really tell what this is. It's definitely on the red wine side. I'll try this on another video. I don't want to do it today because I already have my lipstick on. And I do like the Jeffree Star liquid lipsticks. I think they're one of my favorites. All right, so Supreme Gloss Full Pigment Lip Gloss. I have not tried any of these from the brand, so this is nice to get this. Except for it's lavender. What the heck am I going to do with this? Oh my goodness. Okay, I got played. And then I got another Velour lip liner. I own one of these. I don't have the newly formulated one. I'm hoping this is better because the first one that came out was not for me. Okay, so that one's definitely a lot smoother than the one I had before. Groovy. Put this over here in my handy dandy lip liner container. Okay, I guess this is for the LED light. I didn't see that before, just the charger. And lastly, it looks like I got the Heartbreaker mirror. Now, I could not care less about these mirrors. I have plenty of mirrors, but I know that a lot of you out there like them, so I will be putting this in a giveaway. I do plan on doing a giveaway once I hit 1,000 subscribers, so I'll be putting this away for that time. And Friendos, that's what I got. Was it worth $180? Clearly it's supposed to be worth $360. I don't know that I would pay the $180 again though, but that's just me. Part of that is because I already buy most of what I really want on launch date. So getting a mystery box is not as special to me since I already have a lot of what will end up in the box anyways. I don't know. I think I would. I think I would spend the $180 again. I feel like my least exciting products were there at the end, so I'm kind of like ending it like on because definitely the more fun things were on top. But yeah, you guys saw what I got. Let me know in the comments down below if you would pay $180 for this box. And if you did get a box, let me know what came in yours. Also, if you got this smaller box that I think was $90, I believe it was $90 or $100, please let me know. I want to know what you got in yours. I didn't want to get them both because again, I buy most of what I want on launch date. So it didn't really make sense for me to get a big one and then a little one, you know what I mean? But that doesn't mean that I'm not curious. Okay, friendos, enjoy the rest of your day. Please give this video a like if you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you have not done so already. Because if not, we'll both have to live in the sorrow of never knowing what could have been. All right, guys, bye. And oh my goodness, guys, I think there might be something else in here. Did I forget something? Oh man. Oh, it's heavy. It's heavy. Oh, what? Alexi! I already have you. I already have you. Do I need to put you in the giveaway? I know, you love cardboard boxes. Cardboard boxes are his favorite. He's having the best time right now. Guys, I'm gonna go play with all my new toys and Alexi. We're gonna have a good night together. You guys have a great one. Bye.